Hi, I'm Rick. This is Lynelle. Um, we're going to do a video today on converting your gas powered generator over to run propane and gas, so you'll have a dual fuel generator. Um, there's many reasons why you would want to do that. The first reason why is that gasoline will sit in your carburetor when your generator sits for months at a time and get all gooey and gum up your carburetor. And then when you actually need to use your generator for something, it doesn't run. Propane doesn't do that. Propane pretty much will last indefinitely, and you store it in your propane bottles, and when you need it, it's there and it's good to go, and it doesn't foul up your carburetor. So anyway, the little backstory on this is that we live in the woods in the Pacific Northwest, and we woke up this morning and there was snow on the ground, which just never happens.
Six
Yeah,
inches.
6 inches of snow. And I know most of you are probably thinking, okay, so it's February and there's snow on the ground.
Big
What's
deal.
the problem? Yeah. But around here,
Problem.
it's a pretty big calamity whenever we get like an inch of snow. It's like all of a sudden everybody panics and the world comes to a screeching halt. Well, um, I mean,
You didn't go to work.
I didn't go to work this morning. I mean,
We left the awning out. It was caving in.
That's right.
3:30 in the morning, shoveling snow off an awning that's sagging like this. Yeah, no.
Yeah, it was a good
It
time.
happens.
Really enjoyed ourselves too. I'm telling you. And so anyway, by the time we got done doing that, even though I've got studded tires on my vehicle and chains, I couldn't get out of here. Well, that's what I told my boss. Anyway, so took the day off, and it's a good thing I did because the power went out. So I thought to myself, well, this is a great opportunity to go out and fire up the generator. We could do a video showing people how to convert it over to propane. Now, mine's already converted over to propane, but I can show you exactly how I did it. And it's very simple. Costs you about I think I spent 25, maybe $30 to do this deal. So I mean, you just need a regulator, a valve to regulate the flow of the propane, and a little bit of hose, a little bit of tubing like gas line, and that's all you need. So anyway, we're gonna go outside and walk you through this thing real quick, and so we'll meet you out there. Hi again. Thanks for coming out. So here's the deal. Got your gas propane generator, propane bottle. This little guy here is your regulator. I think I paid about $25 for that. It's just a regulator for a barbecue or that sort of thing. I bought it at Lowe's or Home Depot. This is your shut-off valve, and you use that to regulate the flow of your propane. So you just hook up your propane bottle, and you can run these off of those little 1 pound bottles too, by the way, and it'll work just as fine. And then you run over here, and I've made this little PEX line. This is gas tubing that goes up here, or gas line like for a car. And then this PEX line tubing you can buy at different places, but mine was leftover stuff that I had from installing the airbags on my van. Okay, so now that that's all hooked up, you're just going to turn your generator on.
Oh, aren't you going to
Right
show in there the box, the airflow box?
Oh yeah, the airflow box. Okay, so the PEX line tubing that comes out of here, I just drilled, I think it was a 1/4 inch hole, but it's a nice interference fit so that air doesn't leak through there at all. And then the PEX line tubing just comes up and goes right into the opening for the carburetor. I've got the filter box off right now just for clarity so you can see it. But we'll go ahead, and you can see that the gas valve here is turned off, so we don't have any gas going into this thing at all right now. Okay, so I'm going to give it a little bit of propane.
You want to make sure your propane bottle's turned on.
Oh, yes, thank you. What would I do without you? All right, and then we'll give it a try.